Oh, my goodness.
Good evening, Mrs. Hudson.
Oh, why, it's Mr. Holmes.
Oh, hello. Good to see you again. Telephone. Oh? Who do you want? Oh, yes, you're Scotland Yard. I'm afraid there's been a little mistake. Oh, you can get angry. We all make mistakes at times. What? Well, if we didn't, you'd be out of a job. Dr. Tobel, this is my friend and associate, and as you may have observed, my watchdog, Dr. Watson. How do you do, sir? How do you do? Dr. Tobel and I flew in from Zurich this evening. You can put that thing away now, Watson. Dr. Tobel, awarded the maximum request for physics in 1939. My dear Watson, there was only one Dr. Tobel. Without Mr. Holmes, there would have been no Dr. Tobel, I am afraid. But I thought you were living in America, sir. I have been working in Switzerland for the past 2 years. Holmes got you out? In the nick of time. There was not a point he overlooked. Every contingency was foreseen and provided for. It was magnificent. Thank you, Doctor. The problem was not without its interesting points.
Is there anything you would like, Mr. Holmes?
Oh, thank you, Mrs. Hudson. I'm going to bed now.
You gave me an awful fright when I talk like that. Oh, good night, sir.
Quite right. You can't blame me for jumping to the conclusions I did. He looks like a broken-down musician. Holmes, why didn't you take your fiddle with you? I never did think much of it.